Coming up in this video, I've got a very simple highball cocktail for you to make using dead man's fingers, a pineapple rum. This is awesome. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I'm Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more. That's what this is all about. This video, Dead Man's Fingers Pineapple Rum. They've launched a couple of new ones recently, Mango and Lime. So I'm just going to go over them all now and do a few cocktail videos. Before we crack on, big shout out and love to my Patreon gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support, and more about that at the end of this video. But for now, let's crack on with this cocktail. So as always, with the theme of these cocktails, I'm rubbish at naming them, so I want you to kind of watch this video, look at the ingredients, and then put some names, put your suggestions down in the comments below, and we'll pick the best ones out for my cocktail book, for my updated cocktail book, which you can get if you're a Patreon member. So this cocktail, as I say, highball, I'm going for this glass today, a bit of a tiki glass, drink stuff, and that's where you can get that from. Absolutely amazing. We're going to make this in our cocktail shaker. First ingredient is your Dead Man's Fingers Pineapple Rum. Really vibrant pineapple notes in this. 50 ml of your pineapple rum. Then the next ingredient is some lime juice, and I want 15 of freshly squeezed lime juice. There we go. And then next ingredient, we're going banana. So we're going pineapple banana. We're going for some banana puree. This is another one. This is ODK's banana puree. This is another one from Drink Stuff anyway. But this is long life banana puree. I've done a puree video of why I believe purees are better than fresh fruit. So you can watch that. But this one, 25 ml of a banana puree. And then the final ingredient before we go to shaking is some pineapple juice. Let's just put the lid on there. I just want some proper pressed pineapple juice. Supermarket own brand is absolutely fine. I'll just say, as always, as long as it's kind of pressed and squeezed, they'll taste so much better than the carton stuff. So I'm going for 50 ml of pineapple juice. Just going a little end just to wash the puree out. 25, and there we go, 50 ml of pineapple juice. All we need to do now is just ice that up, and ice the glass up as well. There we go. Fill up with ice, tin on, and give it a good shake for about sort of 12 seconds. Good hard shake. Right, and then when you're happy that is nice and chilled down, we just need the mixer now. And I'm going for, if I can find it, I've lost it. There it is. Going for Levi Roots Caribbean Crush. I've used this one before in previous videos. This is the mango, coconut and lime. Absolutely delicious. Amazing. Could you choose lilt? I love this. And we just want 75 ml, all right? 75, and that should be perfect for that glass. Lovely, jabbly. Right, all we need to do now is just strain that out into our glass. Perfect. And the whole reason I put that in there is so I don't have to stir it or mix it at the end. It's already mixed up. There we go. So we've got banana, we've got pineapple rum, we've got lime juice, we've got a little bit of sort of lilt if you like, but I love this Levi Roots Caribbean Crush. Amazing. So I want your name suggestions in the comments below. Garnish wise, let's just go with a pineapple and pineapple leaf. There we go. Serve it up with a straw. Get in there. What's it taste like? I tell you, these rums, when you play about and just have some fun, they just make amazingly fun drinks. These are brilliant. Oh, banana, the pineapple. Oh, I love that. I love that. Anyway, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this cocktail, if you like this video. As I say, drop your name suggestions in the comments below. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you want to be notified every time I set a new video live, ring that bell as well. And if you want all the perks of being in my gang, I'd love you to join me over on Patreon. It's kind of my membership tiers, 3 different tiers there. The popular one is where you get my free updated cocktail book, so a much bigger cocktail book. You can download it from the comments below, but the updated version comes out monthly, and we just add loads more recipes every single month. So you get all that. So join me on Patreon. Cheers.